Hey folks, today we're going to be talking about mother-in-law's tongue, St. George's sword, or most commonly known as snake plant. Somebody once told me that if I was trapped in a room with no windows or doors, no oxygen, just a ton of snake plants, I'd still be able to breathe. I don't think that's true, but I still like to have them around. Living in the city, they're super low maintenance, and they're pretty nice to look at. I have a few tips on how you can make your snake plants grow even faster. 1. Pick the right pot size. You can actually make your snake plant grow faster by putting it in a smaller pot. Any 8 to 12 inch pot will suffice. 2. Keep it root bound. Your plant's going to flourish if you keep it in a root bound state. Then you're going to start to see more of these pups start to grow. Only repot once you see more of these offshoots start to grow, or you see the roots start to push out of the soil. 3. Use an all-purpose fertilizer. The great thing about snake plants is how little attention they need. But if you really want to maximize on the growth of the plant, use an all-purpose fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. 4. Keep in a warm, well-lit area. This is one of the best low-light indoor plants in the world. But it's a plant, and it's really going to flourish if you keep it in a nice, warm, sunny spot in your house with indirect light. But it doesn't mind a little bit of direct light in the morning. 5. Overwatering. Snake plants are actually succulents, the only thing that I can keep alive. It's really important not to overwater them. They absorb water through their fleshy leaves, and if you water them too much, it's going to cause root rot or worse. It's best to wait until the soil is completely dry between waterings. Well, that covers our tips for snake plants. If this video was helpful, please subscribe so we can keep the plant content coming. Thanks for watching.